Hey everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 21st of March afternoon analysis. On this video, we'll cover some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. Alright, this morning we have received the China prime loan rate as unchanged. So this means that they just want to support economy as possible, as much as possible they can. And also an interesting news has been published in South China Morning Post that is indicating that 2022 may be peak population for China. So you remember like what happened when the once the peak population reached in the countries like Japan, they are just facing decline in their economy because the new population means a lot of consumption. But if that doesn't reach, if that doesn't go higher, then you see decline in your economy. That's the case. That's why we see the crisis of new home sales and other problems. All right, that was the important things. If that comes true, if that expectation comes true, and then if 2022 becomes the highest population, then we may see slowing down economy in China. That means slowing down economy in global. All right, that was news. Let's start with our first chart. The first chart is NASDAQ US 100 chart. As you can see, that was really 5 day rally starting actually like, not 5 days like we don't count on weekend. 3 days rally started on 15 from the lowest level of the recent months, then just going high to uh, not the highest for recent month, but highest point start of the invasion, and then on the opening we have seen some just climbing up, but then rejection from these resistance. How much it can go? It can go back to at least you can just like a pullback. We can just see a pullback. This is like from here to here, 1,400 points, almost 1,500 points. So we may see at least half of it gone. It's gone as a correction, like something like this is possible. It may test this level as a correction, then another high. But important thing is we are just like 10 days later, we will just close the first quarter, and then we will just wait for first quarter results in NASDAQ. There have been a lot of problems, and there have been a lot of disruptions during the first quarter. That's why we may never see high profit from these companies, and then that may cause another sell-off in long term. That's also another case. So please just cautious on your sell and buy. Keep them small and short term as much as possible. Let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is natural gas. As you can see here, natural gas is testing $5 level 2 times, like on last week and then in this week as well. But both of them have been rejected. Reason is we are just getting into spring and summer season. This is really tough, and I know like European countries are just looking for new demand, but at the same time there are realities. They will just look for cheaper options. They won't look for higher gas prices. They will always look for some other things. That's why they will just plan something more sense. They will just keep those demands until we can just say like it's September, November, so they have like a time. So they won't buy all of them at once. They will just wait prices go down a bit more, then when they see low prices, they will buy and then create some more hikes. It will just go like that. But if you just check like here, it's already really high. And at the beginning of February, it was trading at 3.80 cents. And now it is testing $5 levels so much. That's why it's compared to previous month, it's high and they will just do like this. But still, 465 level is critical even for 50 level. As you can see here, it has tested a lot of times and then from this level, it just jumped back. All right, we will just watch and track all these prices more. Let's look at our last chart, silver. Alright, as you can see here on the chart, the silver is rising and declining fast, but still in a tight range. Not going down because of the war escalation, not going up because of the high interest yield of US Treasury bonds. That's why it has stuck in a tight channel. It may just go like this sometime, then the investor will just get bored. So we will just expect some news from Russia or some positive news from US. Then it will just go. But for sometimes it will just go up and down on this tight channel. That's the expectation. But still, I'm saying that in this war between Ukraine and Russia, it is changing so fast. So please just be sure that you just take profit when you just see it. Don't be greedy and take your profit. That's the most important thing. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and then we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.